Hey Jody, good to see you again. I thought today we could chat briefly about a subject that is near and dear to my heart, and that is providing financial education and stability to those that lose their mates in death. We know that that's a terrible time that they go through. As you know, it's very important to me to help provide that stability, that education. What are you seeing? What are your clients' experiences have been?
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. Obviously, oftentimes what leads up to the loss of a spouse is very stressful in of itself. Maybe they're having to navigate caregiving, which is near and dear to my heart with my experience. Maybe they've navigated a terrible illness and a brief time span that they had with their spouse before they passed away. Regardless, often it's very, very emotionally draining leading up to that point, and now they're inundated or overwhelmed with decisions. What do you think is critical? I know you recently wrote about this. What do you think is critical that a person should think about? We don't have time to go into everything, but just a brief highlights.
So what I would say too is what's critical. You're being made forced to make these horrible decisions, these crucial decisions. First thing I would say is look into your Social Security options.
Mhm.
Unfortunately, when one spouse passes, the largest Social Security check lives on, but there's different nuances. So you definitely want to work with somebody to know what's available to you. We also think too about if your spouse had investments, what is the best, most tax efficient way to get those into your name? And then, one other thought that comes to mind too is just that income replacement. Now it's all of your plans kind
Mhm.
of have to take a tilt towards a different direction to support the income that you need. So it's a very emotional time. I know as a firm, we've helped a lot of agents and clients navigate this difficult time in their lives.
Yeah, I think in addition to what you just said, planning ahead. Don't wait until you're under the stress of a lifetime to address these issues. It's not always easy to do that, but planning ahead is very, very, very important. Well, Bianca, I always appreciate your insights. And if somebody wants to take a deeper dive on this, how would they get a hold of you?
You can call me 860-956-5377, or you can email me at bianca@jegoss.com.
It was good to be with you, Bianca.
Good to see you, Joe.